Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or of course welcome if you're new. My name is Bella and I love making all of these homemaking videos, all this motherhood motivation. I just really love it. I have such a passion for it that I've discovered over this past year. I am the mom of one little toddler who is all over the place, super rambunctious, and I love making all these cleaning, decorating, decluttering videos. I've been doing a lot of decluttering on this channel, so if that is your jam, I hope that you will consider sticking around and being part of our amazing community. Today, we're going to be doing some cleaning that needs to get done, and stick around to the end because I have some super yummy strawberry cookies that I am really excited to share with you guys. They turned out amazing. Everybody here loves them, and I know that you will love them too. As you can see, my sweet little girl is joining me as I finish putting away some dishes that needed to get done. And honestly, today I was just doing my best. I've been having some back pain. As some of you know, I have chronic back pain, and it was really preventing me from doing as much as I wanted to do. So if you see me standing kind of awkwardly favoring my left side, it's because I'm having some sciatic nerve pain on my right side, and so that explains that if I kind of stand weird. Sorry about that. And after that nerve pain gets resolved, I'm going to be doing a super deep clean because honestly this place needs it. It's been getting somewhat neglected just because I've been in a lot of pain. Not to complain to you guys, I really want to keep it positive here, but I'm sorry if I got kind of negative there. But it is going to get better. It sometimes just happens. Sometimes I get flare-ups, but then they go away and everything's fine. But now I'm moving on to some dishes. It wasn't too bad, but I did want to scrub them off before I put them in the dishwasher because I feel like they just get a little bit cleaner. And I ended up getting some new Mrs. Meyer's dish packs, I guess dishwashing packs for the dishwasher. And if you've tried those, let me know. I'm waiting till I run out of my other ones, but I'm really excited to use them because when I was opening up today, I smelled them and they just smell like lemon and they smell so good. Right now I'm cleaning out our little coffee filter thing. And yeah, we've been making coffee from the grounds. We usually use the Keurig, the K-cups, at least we did in the other place, but I like this better. I think the coffee tastes a lot better. Let me know if you are the same way down below. Now I'm loading the dishwasher, and this is what I mean by kind of standing, favoring my left side, and it really hurt to put all these away because I was forced to lean over to my right side, so I actually had to take a little break after putting these dishes away because it really hurt. But then I got to cleaning out the sink once I was feeling a little bit better, and this is always so satisfying, so I'm just gonna let this play.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Next, I'm just gonna move around the kitchen and clean off our countertops. I felt like there was some kind of gross stuff on top of it, some food or whatever, and I really wanted to wipe it down, and I feel like it needed to be wiped down a little bit harder than it usually is. As you can see, I'm kind of dwelling on certain spots because there was some ground on food or whatever, and then I wanted to make sure that I really do clean by the sink, so I decided to get that little ledge, and now I'm just moving around. And then when I get to the stove, I clearly spilled some pasta water when I was making pasta. Let me know if you guys do that too. And it was really gross, but I feel like it's really motivating to show you because the clean is unreal. It looks so good after.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
now I had some laundry that I had to fold. I've been really trying hard to keep up on my laundry routine, but stuff stacked up since my back was hurting pretty bad, so I needed to tackle that. But I am going to talk about the wedding plans. I know that is super random, but as a lot of you know, Matt and I are getting married in September, and I didn't realize how much went into all this wedding planning stuff. We have this huge binder, and I have to choose music and the vibe of my wedding, and we still need to get a photographer and a videographer and everything, and it is all so overwhelming. And honestly, I am reaching out to you guys for help because I don't have a first dance song. I have no idea. Nothing is really resonating with me. So would you mind giving me some ideas? It can be the wedding dance song that you guys used, or that you maybe heard at a friend's wedding. Just help a girl out, because that is a big struggle and I am really stressed out about it, on top of all the other wedding planning stuff. And also, let me know if you want me to share some of that wedding planning stuff with you, because we are about to hit it so hard at the end of February, beginning of March type of time scale, because it is going to be coming up, and I know that it's a little bit far away, but I really have to start thinking about it now. It's about 7 months away, but I know that I have a bunch of appointments coming up with the vendors and stuff, and I need suggestions. By the way, our wedding colors are kind of a sandy pink color and white. It's in the undertone of my dress, and the guys are gonna wear like little pink boutonnieres and also the little handkerchiefs in their pocket and ties and everything. So it's gonna be super coordinated. And the bridesmaids dresses, I'm having everybody choose what style they want, but the color is gonna be the same. And I wanted to do that because I really want my bridesmaids to have their individual style and be able to show it off. It's actually my best friend since I was a child. She is my maid of honor, and then one of my other best friends is a bridesmaid, and then my little sister Lily is also one of my bridesmaids. So I have 3, and they are all super special to me, and I'm going with one of them this weekend to get her dress, and that is really exciting. And we're getting Kennedy fitted for her flower girl dress, because yes, she is going to be our little flower girl in her wedding, and that is just super exciting and super special to have our little girl be a part of our wedding. And Matt will have someone to dance with during the daddy-daughter dance, so that is a win. I hope you don't mind me talking about it. I know that it's not something that I usually talk about, but if you don't like me talking at all about it, just let me know. But on the other hand, if you want to see more of that and you want to be let in on that process, because I still have to choose invitations and all that kind of stuff, I can totally let you guys be a part of the process of that, because I feel like you guys are just so special to me, and you guys are always so motivating and encouraging, and I feel like you're my family. And I know that's a little bit weird to say. I know a lot of people say that, but I honestly mean it. Like, I seriously love you guys, and I turn to you guys for advice all the time, and I want to involve you. And we are going to be having a videographer, so there will be a wedding video that of course I will share with you guys at the end of that. It's not going to be right after the wedding, obviously, because they have to edit it and all that, but it will be coming up within hopefully a month or 2 after we get married, and I will have that up on this channel, and I will be so excited for you guys to see it. And if you missed my wedding dress try on, I will actually link that below, because a couple months ago I did a whole wedding dress try on and I chose mine. I didn't show that in the video, but you can see every single dress that I ended up not getting, and then there's a little bit of a teaser in there, and maybe you'll find the dress if you look in the right places. Maybe we left it in there on purpose. Also, you'll get to be able to see my bridesmaids. All 3 of them are in it. And I also have my engagement vlog when Matt and I got engaged on Mother's Day up on this channel too. I'll actually link that one as well in case you want to see Matt propose to me. That was a special moment on Mother's Day. It was my first Mother's Day as a mommy, and it couldn't have been more special. I had my little girl and I got engaged, and that was just incredible, and I would love to share that with you guys too. I know that a lot of people are new and maybe did not see the proposal proposal vlog or the wedding dress try-on vlog, and I really want to catch you guys up just in case you actually want to see some of that wedding process. So make sure that you give that video a watch after you're done here. And now that we've done all of our laundry, it is finally time to move on to a super fun part of the video where we're gonna make these delicious strawberry cake cookies. Everybody loves these, and I am so excited to share these with you, and I'm excited to share the recipe. So let's get right to that. You're gonna need some strawberry cake mix, so 2 eggs, some vanilla extract, some baking powder, some vegetable oil, and some white chips, or no, they're not chocolate chips, but they're like little white baking chips. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So in a small bowl, you want to whisk together 2 eggs, I got some thingies in there. Come on. Go. No, don't go back in. And a ½ teaspoon vanilla. Now whisk, whisk, whisk. Next, get a bigger bowl and mix in your box of strawberry cake mix. This is such a pretty color. If you want to know my favorite color, it's this type of pink. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now add this stuff in and mix it together until it is smooth. You just want to make sure that all this dry cake mix disappears. Now it's time to fold in 2 cups of the white chocolate chips. Now what you want to do is roll your cookies, and you want to try to make them more tall than they are wide, if that makes sense, because they expand quite a bit. So think of it like a snowman you're building up. And you want to just take a spoon and just make them about as much as the spoon holds. And these made a lot of cookies. I was surprised, and I actually covered up the bowl and made some more a little bit later when this was done, because there was just so much left over and I didn't want to waste the dough. So these would be really good to serve buffet style at a party or something like that, because you can get a lot of cookies out of this. But after that, you want to bake for 10 minutes. Just watch to make sure they're not getting too brown. I feel like mine got a little bit too brown, but don't worry, they still tasted amazing. I left them in for exactly 10 minutes and then grabbed these guys out.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages.
Might have left them in a little bit too long. There's just a little bit of browning, which you do want to avoid, but other than that, I think these are the cutest cookies I've ever made. And after you're done with that, you want to transfer these to wire racks once they're sturdy enough to pick up. And it is super important, because if you don't, they might not cool properly, and then they might just get too brown on the end, and then they might not be as tasty, and I don't want that for you guys. But make sure that you let me know if you make these, because they tasted so good and I'm so excited to share these.
Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song.
And here are our finished cookies. I know I've been going on about how yummy they were, but really they were just so yummy and they were just so cute. Perfect for spring, perfect for Valentine's Day. I know it's the season of love and pink and pretty stuff. And make sure that you tag me if you make these at Bella_Ariana127 on Instagram. That would be so cool. I hope you enjoyed this clean and bake with me. If you like to see recipes in my video, make sure you let me know by giving me just a comment, letting me know that you like it, and let me know what else you want to see me bake because I need some ideas. I'm gonna go chill. As you can probably hear Matt and Kennedy in her room playing. But until then, love you. Bye, beauties.